compared to the other ones. That longbeard was the same way.
May 3rd.
It's May 3rd, the first day of turkey season, and we're out here since we couldn't get one on Youth Day. Gonna try to get a bird up here at camp.
Well, it's the opening morning. It's just about daylight outside. Just about gobbling time for the turkeys here. We had one roosted last night, but when we went there this morning, there was already a truck that had beat us there. So we just jumped over to the next hollow over, and we got some property over here that we're just going to try to listen to, see if we can't hear one, and then chase it.
So we weren't hearing anything, so we went back to camp. They eat breakfast, and now we're back out here trying to get on a bird.
So we sent the master himself out here to get permission with Gunner. We struggled like crazy on Saturday. The weather was terrible and the birds were just not hammering at all. And we came up in this little hollow, and we only had just a little chunk of ground that we could hunt on up in here, which wasn't enough. We didn't get a bird, but Zane is trying to get permission for like a whole farm that we used to be able to hunt, but some like new owners and stuff didn't really let us hunt in the past, but Zane's up there right now trying to get permission from them. So if he does, we got a pretty good place for tomorrow morning, but then we're headed back home after tomorrow.
He owns about 800 acres.
Tell us what happened.
Well, he took me in to show me the topo map of his property.
You were right.
And he owns about 800 acres.
Did you get permission on all of it?
Nah. Not where the two longbeards are we just saw. That's the only place he doesn't want us.
That's the only place we wanted. Over in them pasture fields.
He does not care about anywhere else.
What about up where I shot that one?
He gave us permission for that.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Your grandpa's gonna love you.
I'm gonna look at my map to make sure, but if I'm
serious, your grandpa's literally gonna love you.
He
have to go.
He owns.
So nice.
You remember where we heard that turkey this morning, Dad? He owns 700 acres on the top of this hill right here.
It's the second day of turkey season. We had no luck on the first day, so we decided to stay up here and see if we could kill one on the second day. So we're at the spot that me and Zane got yesterday. It's definitely a good spot for turkeys. That's what the guy told us, so we're gonna go see if we can get one.
Well, we're just walking up this Gaswell Road right here. Trail, whatever it is. And we just hooted and one gobbled on the top of this hill right above us. So we're just gonna work up here and we're gonna try to get set on him, hopefully get Gunner to put him on the ground.
Feel it in my nuggets.
We saw a turkey gobble at us on the roost as we were coming up in here. And once we got up in here and sat down, he flew down and shut up, and I have no clue where he went. But we got one gobbling across the hollow from us, so we're gonna go after that one now.
Where do we go?
He's probably coming on us.
I know. Should we get up here where we can watch out this road? Sure, let's do. Hurry up.
He might be coming.
Dad, to your right.
He's in there.
Zane's on him. Take him, Zane. Just sit still, man. Get on there. He has no clue we're here. He's behind the tree for Zane, I think, right now.
Shoot,
Gunner. Yes, Gunner.
Take my gun.
That's Gunner's turkey.
Get on his head, guys.
Did you get that? Dude. Oh my gosh.
I got that thing standing out
Did he
there.
did you get him gobbling
yeah,
right in front of
yeah.
you? Here, let me take that gun from you.
I thought I saw his head.
Dude,
Out
my
here.
camera fell whenever or when Zane shot.
I thought I saw his head out here coming through the thing, and I'm like, but I was afraid to
We
move.
just freaking killed a longbeard, dude.
We got to get up there with these guys.
I could have swore
This is
he
the
was
most
he walked through an opening and popped into stride and kept going, and then I could have swore I saw another turkey go through there.
Well, maybe there was two.
But I don't think it was. I think it was just him.
Hold on. You guys both go sit down. I'm gonna go to where that turkey was standing and see what he could see.
Because when that thing was going on, did you see it running through? Like it was.
I could see it going, and then Gunner shot. I didn't see him Gunner shot. But
I don't want to say don't want to say it was like laboring going out through the woods, but he was hit. Dude, I saw.
Just to give you guys a little recap on what happened here. We came out this ridge and I called down over the hill. Sorry, my call's in my mouth. But I struck a bird up down over the bank from us and called and got him to gobble a couple of times. Then we sat down and he shut up for a little bit and I was shut up too. And then I started calling again and finally got him struck up again. And then he closed the distance really fast on us. I think he might have been running at some point into us. And then he came right out of road behind the camera here, strutted and gobbled in front of us. And I had a little gap in between the trees that I thought I could kill him in. And I shot him, and I don't know what happened. I hit him with a couple BBs, but it wasn't enough to kill him. And then he ran out in front of Gunner, and Gunner smoked him, and he's dead now.
Keep them both in the top.
Yeah, we'll do that. I bet you he's got an 8.5-inch beard. That's my guess.
Where would you go from right there?
8-inch beard.
8. Gunner, pretty good for a first long beard, dude. That's a 2-year-old bird, huh?
1/2-inch spurs.
1/2 inch.
15, 16, like Brian.
3/4.
7/8. I'm called 7/8.
Alright.
Jimmy, we could hack those off and make you a little necklace out of this. Give them to your girlfriend.
Alright, let's go weigh this thing now.
Alright, yeah. They weren't 15/16 like Dr. Brooks, but.
Did you turn the scale on and zero it?
It's already zeroed, right?
You probably have to zero it before you hang it. Shoot, I'd kill Jake's bigger than that.
Dude, that.
It is like 9 o'clock right now, and we just got back from taking Gunner's bird back to camp, and we got a little bit of breakfast in us, and we're back at the same spot. We're gonna hike up in the same place, just hunt the rest of the ridge out, because we did not get very far out there before Gunner shot his, and hopefully I don't mess it up this time like I did on that one, because we almost didn't get that turkey. We just spoke to hen, but we came up on this ridge here and called, and a hen answered us. So we sat down, called for a little bit. He just gobbled. Just double gobbled. And we got a turkey gobble on across the hollow on the other hillside. So time to go that way.
I think they're coming towards us.
I'm not saying you have to go clear to their head, but I'm just saying you cut like at the same level we're at. You just got around to get over there.
Just aim for those big wings.
It's not gonna take us that long. Better get moving.
Can I shoot one?
Whichever one you're on.
Dude, how would I miss? Oh, I got him. I got him.
Go.
Daddy's right here.
Huh?
He's right here.
Is he dead?
No. I can't get the freaking shows up. I was on the base of his neck and I shot.
Did you hit him in the body again? I don't know.
We'll have TJ bring
boys.
him up here.
2 birds
In one day.
one day.
He's freaking big.
Thank you.
No, I didn't shoot him in the body.
Oh my gosh, look at, no, I think you hit him in the head because he was bleeding all over the place.
How? Yeah, he was up here standing bleeding out of his head.
50 yards, that was far.
Was it really?
Yeah. We were tucked down in. Look at the beard on that bugger.
He looked like he was spooked, so I was like, can I shoot this thing?
Look at the beard. How big are his hooks, man?
Well, he's not.
He's still wanting to twitch.
He's freaking dead because that entire pattern.
Not crazy big though.
Dude. He's dead. That's 2 birds in one day for you right there. Gunner shot Hayes earlier this morning, just like 2 hills over from where we're at right now. We sat on these birds for a while and they would not move out of the field, which is currently below us. And so Gunner and our pap went back to the truck and we circled around the hill and got set up on these birds. I would say we weren't set up for 2 minutes and they came around the hill. And this one, his head changed colors and he looked alert. So I was like, Dad, can I shoot him? And he said, yeah. So I shot him and it had to have hit him in the base of the neck. I'm not really sure what happened, but he got up and was getting away from us, so I had to put another one in him to finish him off. But this is my first longbeard ever, and this is a beautiful one for a first.
Keep them both in the tuck.